Hey guys, we just came in here today and we're going to be playing Will You Press the Button? So let's get straight into it. So the first one is, you can legalize weed, but every time you finish using a bong, you have to drink the bong water. I will not. 34%. I've pressed this button. I don't know why. That's strange. Bad. Unlimited supply of bacon, but you have a code for the rest of your life. As much as I love bacon, I would rather not have a code for the rest of my life. Ever. So I will not. Yeah, 60% did not. Yeah. I'd rather not. Get the ability to heal, like Deadpool. Only heal people you don't feel close with. Well, they're not gonna heal. They're not gonna need it, right? I know, I will not. So bad. Most of these will not. You know everything. You have everything. You know everything. Have superhuman strength and will be loved by many. You run on a rare material that may or may not exist on Earth, and you need some every year. Yeah, I'll press it, because if I lose it, I lose it, and I won't be a super anymore. Like one of the comments, alright, if you know everything, then you know where to find it, and know how to build something to get there fast enough. That's a good dilemma. I just clicked that and I didn't even know what it was. No, I didn't want that. Oh well. You receive $10 million. But you don't eat. You have to eat trash for 3 days straight. I will not. No way. I will never do that ever. Bad. That's a bad dilemma. Whoever you vote for in an election will win. This includes writing in candidates. Your choice will be mysterious assassinated. Your choice will be mysterious assassinated on the last day of their term. Ooh. I will not, because then people will die. That's a good one. You learn that the person you know you've been crushing on knows how you feel towards them. You've been crushing on now knows how you feel towards them, but if you confront them about it, you will never be able to speak to them again. No texting or Facebook. But the person I have been crushing on does already know. But I can still text her. So I will not press that button, because then I can't text her anymore. If they know it, what about writing until they confront you? That's a bad one. You can only play video games all day. No, you can, but you will fall down all these stairs. I want to play video games all day. I do. But I don't want to fall downstairs, because there are a lot of stairs. After a while, it will feel like a lot of stairs. I'm tired. I just spat again. Yuck. And no, I will not. That's a bad one. I warned you about those stairs. You get a random superpower but you become the small talking animal sidekick with the last friend you touched. Really? No. This is the internet. We do not have friends. That's not true. I got loads. Not really. I'm a loner. You get straight A's. You poop your pants every time you leave your house. Nope. Hashtag Stephen Hawking's problems. Some of the comments. You can have a band. You can have all band merch you want, but only on the smaller size. No, because I'm a medium. That's a good one though. So all these ones today are going to be I will not. You have the ability to see into the future for the rest of your life, but never know the feeling of being surprised ever again. I will not. I'll take one order of upside with the cider of upside. Yes please. Okay, the weirdest comment ever. Never be tired, but not be able to rest. Your mind will want to run like an engine all the time. I'll never be tired though. My mind will always want to work. In other words then. Never be tired. Oh, my mind's gonna. But my mind will run like an engine. I'm not gonna press the button. Okay, that's a bad one. Everything you eat will be teleported inside a random person. You poop for you both. That's a weird question. So everything I eat will be teleported inside a random person, and you poop for you both. I'm gonna say not, because if they go poo and you don't expect it, or I do and they're out, then they're gonna poo themselves, so no. That's bad. I don't like that. You can sleep with anyone you choose, but every other person has to be someone you don't want to sleep with. Really? Really? Feisty. I will not. "46 years ago." How long is it? How old is this? EA doesn't exist, but neither does Rockstar. No! GTA for the win. No. Bad. You live forever, you still age. No, because I'll be all wrinkly and I'll be like, "Hello, Sonny, I'm 3,000 years old." I don't want that. Bad. You gain superhuman abilities and become immortal. Yes. Once the Earth is destroyed, you float in space for the rest of eternity alone. I will, because I'm already forever alone, is one of the comments. But if the world ends, it's not for ages, so we're not alone in the universe, so I'll just go meet some Martians. Go Mars. You can learn any instrument you want in 2 days, but no one can hear it but you. Oh no, I don't care. I can't speak. You live your fantasy life, but you die and become someone else, forgetting who you were and everyone you knew. I will not, because I like the people I know right now, That's a bad dilemma. Wake up with perfect hair every day for the rest of your life, but you can never ever trim your... I will not. That's bad. That's really bad. But this is gonna be the last one now, guys. So, okay. So, you go to the worst place imaginable, but all your loved ones can live for as long as they choose. I will press the button because I want them to live as long as they want. So, right. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment if you enjoyed the video and want to see more like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.